In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on a Wix website. Let's get started right from your Wix account. First, log into your Wix dashboard. After you sign in, you'll usually land on the main setup area for your site. If you don't see that, just look at the menu on the left and click on the option that takes you to your site's setup or main overview page. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click that to open the Wix editor. This is where you can visually design and customize your site. Once the editor loads, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar there. Click on the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. When you click it, a panel will slide out with different types of elements you can add to your pages. In this panel, find and select the interactive section. This is where Wix keeps elements that do something dynamic on your site, like hoverboxes, sliders, and of course, pop-ups. When you select interactive, another panel will open, showing different categories of interactive elements. Look for the Popup section. Inside the pop-ups area, you'll see several groups such as welcome pop-ups, subscribe pop-ups, promotion pop-ups, and contact pop-ups. Take a moment to browse through these. Each template is already designed for a specific purpose, but you can always customize the text, colors, and layout later, so focus on the overall style you like. When you find a pop-up design that fits what you need, click on it once. Wix will automatically add that pop-up to your site and show it on the editor canvas. You can drag it around to reposition it, resize it, or start editing the content right away. With the pop-up still selected, look for the option called Set Triggers. Click on that and a small settings window will appear. Here, you can give your pop-up a clear name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to use more than one pop-up on your site. In this same window, you can choose whether the pop-up should display automatically on certain pages. For example, you might want it to appear as soon as a visitor lands on your home page or only on a specific landing page. You can also choose how visitors will close the pop-up, either using the small X icon in the corner, a close button inside the pop-up, or both for convenience. Once you're happy with the trigger settings and closing options, you're done. Your pop-up is now added to your Wix site, ready to engage your visitors.